Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech West. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can delete your Cash App transaction history. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then the only way to delete your Cash App transaction history, either close your account or to create a passcode on a transaction page. So for the security purpose, Cash App does not allow you to delete the transaction history. So in order to close your account, what you need to do is, you need to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account, you need to tap on the profile icon located in the top right. And once you tap on the profile icon, you'll be directed to the profile page, and right in between you have an option as support. So then you need to click on it. As you tap on support, you'll be directed to the help page, and on this page you need to tap on something else. As you tap on something else, once again there are a list of options. So then you'll need to scroll down and then tap on account settings, and after that you'll be directed to the account settings. And on this page, once again you need to scroll down, and right at the bottom you have an option as close my Cash App account. So then you need to click on it. So once you tap on it, next page there's a confirmation. So make sure to go through it, and if you're sure about deleting your account, tap on confirm, which is right at the bottom. So once again you'll be receiving a confirmation through your email. So make sure to go through it, and if you're sure about deleting your account, tap on confirm, and within 2 to 3 days your account will be deleted permanently. So that is how you can delete your transaction history on your Cash App account. So that was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.